Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Update. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, one of the most highly anticipated performance cars of the year. If you're a muscle car enthusiast, this one's going to get your heart racing. The Camaro ZL1 has always been about raw power, and Chevy isn't holding back for 2025. Under the hood, you'll find a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that pumps out a jaw-dropping 670 horsepower and 670 pound-feet of torque. That's serious muscle, delivering mind-blowing acceleration and track-ready performance. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, this beast is built for speed and precision. Chevrolet has refined the aerodynamics for 2025, giving the ZL1 an aggressive yet functional design. The front grille has been reworked to improve airflow, while a new rear spoiler enhances downforce, keeping the car stable at high speeds. Plus, lightweight materials help reduce overall weight, improving handling without sacrificing durability. Inside, the Camaro ZL1 is all about driver-focused comfort. The Recaro Performance seats provide maximum support during high-speed cornering, while the updated infotainment system features a larger touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an upgraded Bose audio system. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising on the highway, the interior is designed to keep you connected and comfortable. When it comes to performance, Chevy has fine-tuned the suspension and braking system to give you total control. Magnetic ride control ensures a smooth yet responsive ride, adapting to road conditions in real time. The Brembo brakes provide incredible stopping power, making sure you stay in command no matter how fast you're going. For 2025, Chevrolet is also offering some exciting new color options and optional track packages, including carbon fiber components and enhanced cooling systems. Whether you're a collector or just love pushing limits, the ZL1 delivers an exhilarating driving experience. With rumors swirling about the future of gas-powered muscle cars, the 2025 Camaro ZL1 could be one of the last of its kind before Chevy shifts focus to electrification. That makes this model even more special, a true symbol of American muscle at its peak. So, what do you think about the new Camaro ZL1? Is this the ultimate muscle car, or do you think another contender deserves the crown? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car updates. See you in the next one.